Anderson County Coroner's Office says 2 people have died of carbon monoxide poisoning from a generator that was running inside a bedroom. Our Taylor Farmer talked to the Coroner's Office.
The Anderson County Coroner's Office says a man and a woman were found dead inside this home on Joe Black Road in Williamston Sunday night. Officials confirm both died from carbon monoxide poisoning and their deaths have been ruled accidental.
It's often referred to as the invisible killer. You can't see it, taste it, or smell it, but within minutes, carbon monoxide can become deadly.
The home had high levels of carbon monoxide inside.
Senior Deputy Coroner Ty Blackwell says Sunday night, 2 people who lived in this home on Joe Black Road inhaled the toxic fumes.
During our investigation, we found that there was a generator that was actually inside the home in a separate bedroom that was being used to control a small space heater that they were using.
Blackwell says the generator should have been at least 20 feet away from the home outside. He says this isn't the first time he's seen deaths caused by carbon monoxide poisoning, cases he typically sees during the colder months or around storms. He wants to remind the public of other ways to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning, like not starting your car in a closed garage. Those at the Gann Fire Department echoed that warning and added others.
Fireplaces, candles, things that might catch things on fire. We try to really avoid leaving those things on at night when we go to bed at night, making sure those items are out before we go to bed.
Food safety, as far as cooking during the holidays, make sure that you stay with your food while you're preparing it. Don't leave the house with the turkey in the oven. Make sure you stay in the same room, keep a good eye on that, and be aware of what's near the stove.
The Gann Fire Department says they also see electrical issues causing fires all year long. They urge everyone to use space heaters, appliances, and holiday lights safely as temperatures drop. In Williamston, Taylor Farmer, 7 News.
The Coroner's Office still hasn't released those victims' names. They are still working to notify the next of kin.